natural system and the man-made system. How important is geology in civil engineering? The first one is the geology provides a systematic study of structure. It will give you a systematic study of structure, how it will behave in a different environment, in a dynamic system. Earth is a dynamic system. We know, even we are thinking that Earth is very stable and it is good enough, giving a hard statement to place our structure and all. But it is not the case. It is a dynamic one. At some point of time, if there is something happening in the Earth, in the geological formation, or it may be in any form, then it will create an issue. So the geology provides a systematic study of structure. Second is the properties of construction materials and other occurrence stability of foundation is very important. So the construction industry's properties will ensure that what type of material you are using and what type of, based on the concept structures, the structures requirement, what type of foundation you have to go for. To link this foundation and material, we have the another component called the location of the study. In the location of the study, you should have the information about what type of geology is there on that. Whether the soil which is there, we have the bearing capacity or not. Whether you have a hard stratum to place your structure or the foundation, in other words, we say, it is there or not, like that. Even in construction material also, whatever material, most of the material, whatever you are getting from naturally, that you should understand that what type of material it is, where you're supposed to use. So for that you need about the geology knowledge. Then identify the area suspected of failure due to geological hazards. The geological hazards in the sense, for example, I can say earthquake or avalanches. We have different types of geological hazards. Suppose landslide areas. Suppose there is a place where you want to construct. You don't have any other site. You want to construct some geological hazards. What are other hazards area? What are the factors and figures you supposed to take into account? So that all decided. If you know decided based on if you know the basic on the geology on the particular location, the natural rock for tunneling, constructing roads, and in determining the stability of curbs and slopes. So these all are the important factors which will decide the technical importance as well as it will decide the the cost of the project. These all are decided based on that only. Groundwater, excavation works, water supply, irrigation. So these all are some of the areas where we supposed to have our things. So for example, if you want to do excavation or if you want to do the water supply or you are using for irrigation, all those things are there. An hydrological map, distribution of surface water channels under the groundwater depth, all those things are there. So that will be useful for different purposes, which will start from the surfacing your distribution of water, or it may be for what depth the groundwater is there, how you can use it, all those things. Then we have soil conservation, river control, coastal and harbor works. All those things we need the basics on geology. The geological survey of the site before starting the project will reduce the overall cost. So it will not only reduce the overall cost, technically it will make it as feasible, and technically it will make that particular area to be suitable for the project. So that all those things will be decided based on that.